Hi everyone, Steve Nicholas here, and happy Mother's Day. Here's a quick and easy project for 3D printed fridge magnets. They feature neodymium super strong magnets to hold the macaroniest of artwork. So I'm using 123D Design on my iPad. I like using the iPad because I'm not a professional designer and I feel like I have more control. The very simple toolbar allows me to take two cylinders, squish them down, move them around, rotate them, and merge them. Voila, a heart. Now I just need a brain and some courage. For the magnet pocket, I just sink a cube into the heart and then subtract it. I just send it over to Dropbox from the iPad, open and download it on the laptop. Okay, so these refrigerator magnets came out just fine. I actually did the one that you just saw there, came out perfectly. Got a little slot there for a neodymium magnet. I've used glaze coat to encapsulate magnets before, but that takes hours. And since the point of this was to kind of be quick, I think I'm just going to use a hot glue gun to put it in there. Probably won't do a whole lot more finishing, and I probably won't even paint it. It's kind of cool, 3D printed, sent it to Mom. The other thing is I did another one in this clear coat. It's exactly the same, or this clear filament. And the design software I was using for the iPad doesn't allow for text. So there are plenty of free sources out there that you can get this. Even MakerBot's Thingiverse, people have entire alphabets on there. So what I did is I just used one of them and I printed up Happy Mother's Day and just glued them on here. You know, after this, I think I'm probably gonna go ahead and prime this and then color it or paint it gold.
Okay, so before I put another coat on here, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue in the neodymium magnet. So we're going to go ahead and get a big old glob of glue. Very quickish. Set the magnet in there. Okay, that comes right off, perfect. Looks like it's set in there pretty well. Now I'll give it another coat, and then we'll spray it gold. Okay, now we're going to add the gold.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope it works out as well for you as it did for me. We've got the final product here with no additional finishing, and we've got the finished one with the letters and the paint. So happy Mother's Day to all you ladies out there.